Hey guys, this is Nick from forexfilms.com with the weekly analysis for week starting the 9th of September 2009. You're looking at a EUR-USD 4-hour chart. We're going to start with resistance on this chart. Resistance is anything above the current price. So this is roughly where the current price is. Anything above is resistance. So the first resistance area we have is this one that it opened on top of this week and it closed on top of it last week. This resistance area spans between the 1.2800 through to the 1.2820. It is pretty strong. It does have a nice history. Obviously last week price came up here and it just stopped down in its tracks there, and this week it's bouncing away from this level. So this is quite a strong level. Ideally with resistance areas I'm looking to take reversals from them, but I can't really take a reversal from here until price moves down and then comes back to it, because a good reversal needs a preceding trend, and the preceding trend that happened on Friday doesn't really count towards a reversal on Monday. So to summarize, I won't be trading reversals from this level unless price drops down and then comes back up to it and we get some indecision candles forming. Okay, let's look at the next level. The next level is up here at the 1.2900 through to the 1.2925 or so. Now this is quite a strong level. It's acted as support in the past very well. It's acted as support very well. It's also acted as resistance a few times. So it does have some nice history. It's quite a strong level. I'll definitely be looking to take reversals from this level. So if the bulls reach up here, I'm going to be looking for signs of indecision so I could take a short reversal. There are definitely sellers grouped in this level. So if you're in a long trade, you might want to exit at this level, or you at least might want to watch out for that trade. You know, start putting your stop losses in place, consider maybe exiting, because there are definitely sellers grouped up here and they're going to want to push the price down if the bulls get up here. Now if the bulls do break this level, the next level is up here. This level spans between roughly the 1.3010 through to the 1.3030, but you should also note that there is a psych level at the 1.3000, so that might act as a resistance too. So this resistance area is quite large, and it is quite strong. It's held price back several times as both support and resistance in the last year or so. So it is a strong level of support and resistance, and if price gets up here this week, I'll definitely be looking for reversal trades. So if the bulls come up here, I'll be looking for signs of indecision here, and I'll be looking to take a short reversal trade. There are definitely sellers grouped up in this level and they want to push the price down. So if you're in a long trade or something, you might want to put your exits up at this level, or you might want to watch out for that trade and keep a close eye on it if it approaches this level here. Okay, that's it for the resistance this week. I mean, I haven't got any placed higher than that, and I probably won't need it. I mean, I highly doubt price is going to move much past here this week. But if it does, I will update the analysis and I will add some areas up here. So let's take a look at the short side now. To the short side, we have the 1.2685 through to the 1.2710. So this here. Now this has acted as both support and resistance in the last year. Very strong area. If the price comes down to here this week, I'll be looking for indecision. Around here, I'll be looking to take a long reversal trade. There's definitely buyers down here and they're going to want to push the price up. So if you're in a short trade or something, you might want to be careful with this level. You might want to place your exits here, or like I said, with the other levels, you may want to just keep a close eye on the trade and make sure buyers don't flood the market and reverse your short position. Below that, we have the 1.2590 through to the 1.2610. So that's here. This also incorporates the 1.2600 psych level. This is quite a strong area of resistance. You can see just last week, price came up to it and reversed, came up to it again, and it struggled for quite some time before breaking up through it. So this week, this is a strong area of support. And again, much like the other levels, if price comes down here, I'll be looking for indecision. I'll be looking to take some long reversal trades. If you're in a short trade, you might want to watch out for this level because there's definitely buyers grouped down here and they're going to want to push the price up. So if you're in a short trade, that might be bad news for your short. So just keep a close eye on it, or set your exits here if you want. So that pretty much wraps up the analysis for EUR-USD. Let's head over to USD-CAD and take a quick look. Okay, so USD-CAD, this is a USD-CAD 4-hour chart. Okay, so let's start with resistance. Above the current level on USD-CAD, we have the 0.9790 through to the 0.9810 resistance level. It is a reasonably strong area of resistance. It's acted well in the past. Just last week, we could see that it acted as support. It held the price back when it first hit it, and it held the price back temporarily on the second hit. Eventually, it broke through. So this is a strong area of resistance. Unfortunately, the price is currently too close to it. So if it moves up from here, I won't be taking any short reversal trades because I want to see a nice preceding trend. So I want to see it move from around about down here and hit this area before I'd be willing to take a reversal trade. So I won't be looking to take reversals. If this comes up to here right now, I want to see it push down a little bit first and then come up to it. Let me remove some of those drawings. It's getting a little messy. So if price does come down and then come back up to this, I will be looking to take some short reversal trades. I'll be looking for signs of indecision. There's definitely sellers grouped up here, and they're going to want to push the price down, so watch out for this area. Okay, above that we have the 0.9840 through to the 0.9860. So that's here. Now, again, this is a strong area of resistance. You can see it acted very, very well as support recently. Price came down to it, bounced away, came down to it again, bounced away. It was down here last week for ages, I mean for a really long time, and it just couldn't break past this area. So last week there were loads of buyers grouped here. It was acting as an area of support. This week it's going to be acting as an area of resistance because price is broken below it. So if price comes up here, I'll be looking for signs of indecision. I'll be looking to take some reversal trades as per my my strategy, which is linked to below if you want to take a look below. So I'll be looking to take some short reversal trades, and if you're in a long trade, you might want to exit it here, or you might want to watch closely here because there are sellers here and they could reverse your trade. Next level is up here at the 0.9910 through to the 0.9930. Again, this is a strong resistance area. It acted as resistance recently. As you can see here, price came up to it, couldn't manage to break it. And then here again, price came up, didn't manage to break it. We had a very strong reversal. There's loads and loads of sellers grouped up here. And judging by the size of these candles, last time it reversed, there are big boys grouped up here who want to push price down. So not only retail traders, we're talking about banks, stuff like that. So as with all the other levels, if the bulls push up to here this week, if they manage to reach here, I'll definitely be looking for signs of indecision. I'll be looking to take a short trade. There was a successful trade from this level last week. I personally didn't take it. I missed it. I wasn't keeping close enough eye on my charts. But a few of the traders in the advanced course took this trade. So it was this one here. Indecision was up here. Quite a simple trade, straightforward. Quite a profitable trade. Like I said, I missed it, but hey, if price comes up here again this week, I'll definitely be looking to take some short reversal trades from there. And if you're in a long trade, there are sellers grouped up here, so you should really watch out for that trade because it might struggle when it reaches up here. It might reverse, so you might want to exit, or you might want to keep a close eye up there. All right, let's look to the short side. Let's look at the support. To the short side, we have this support area here. It hasn't been hit in quite some time because USD-CAD is moving into some lows that it hasn't seen in, well, I can't remember, but let's have a quick look, see if we can, I just passed it there. It hasn't hit these lows since April, so it's a low that it hasn't hit in several months. So if price comes down to here, let me zoom in on this again. If price comes down to here, there are buyers grouped down here. So I'll be looking for some indecision. I'll be looking to take a bullish reversal trade if price drops down to this level. Below that we have the support area that spans between 0.9670 and 0.9680. So down here, again, this hasn't been hit in quite some time, but last time it was hit, it did act as support quite well. So if price drops down to here, I will be looking for some indecision, be looking to take a bullish reversal trade. And like all the other levels, if you're in a short trade, you might want to watch out for the bulls in this area, because there's definitely bulls down here and they're going to want to drive price up. So that wraps it up for the weekly analysis this week. We've covered EUR-USD, USD-CAD. So I hope you enjoyed the analysis. Have a great trading week.